Welcome to Sharpen Skill for middle school students. And these are free online math class once a week for school students, and you can join the session live. In addition to watching videos, you can also join sessions live, and you can send us your questions, or you can learn whatever we are teaching to improve your intuitive faculty, to improve your math formula recall faculty, to get over your math phobia. You can always join us online, usually once a week, but there are several groups, and this can be in English or Bengali. So even if you are studying in Bengali medium school, still you can join. We will also have sessions in Bengali. So these are free online math classes. Uh, Anybody can join, any school student can join, or actually anyone can join. Not only school students, anybody can join. And these are both in English and Bengali. So to join, contact us today. Sharpen Skill for middle school students. The main aim is to help them get over math phobia and improve their math skill. Now, this question, you can see the figure and we have to find the angle x. You can see the angle x. You have to find the angle x. This should take maximum 4 seconds. For a middle school student, it should take maximum 4 seconds, not more than that. The figure may look a bit confusing, but analyze it without getting nervous and cool head. You'll be able to do it in just 4 seconds, right? So let us see how to solve it in 4 seconds. Now, the only skills or the only concepts you will be required to use, and all of these are very simple things you have learned and you know. One is vertically opposite angles are equal. When two lines cross each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Second, linear pairs are supplementary. Linear pairs are supplementary. And third, sum of angles of a quadrilateral 360. In a quadrilateral, the sum of the angles, sum of the four angles, 360 degrees. Linear pair, they are supplementary. That means the total should be 180 degrees. And if two lines intersect, they cross each other, something like x, then vertically opposite angles are equal. These are the simple basic concepts you will need. Vertically opposite angles are equal, linear pairs are supplementary, and sum of angles of a quadrilateral 360 degrees. If you know these three things, and you know these three things, all of you know these three things, other than this, you don't need anything else. All right? Only using these three concepts, you can find the angle x here. It's very easy to find angle x. Only these three rules we will apply, nothing else. So first, look at the animated arc. You can see the animated arc here. That should be 120 because the vertically opposite angle is 120. Right? This angle is 120. The animated arc you can see is the vertically opposite angle. So the vertically opposite angle should be 120. See here, vertically opposite angle. This is a line, one line, and this we are showing here. And this is one line we are showing here. This is given 120. So the vertically opposite angle should be 120. So this one, the animated arc should also be 120. So mark it 120. What are we using? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 120. The vertically opposite angles, you mark it 120. Now look at this animated arc, right? This animated arc and this 100, they form a linear pair. They form a linear pair because this is a straight line. This is a straight line, and this is the line we are drawing. This is 100, so this must be 180 minus 100 because the total must be 180. So this must be 80, right? This is a straight line, 100 and this animated arc, they form a linear pair. The total should be 180. So if the top is 100, then below this, the animated arc, that should be 80. It's 80 being a linear pair. So this animated arc, this angle, mark it 80 degrees, because this 100 and this 80, they form linear pair, because this is a straight line, this is a straight line. So 100 plus this angle should be 180, linear pair. So this is 80, so mark it 80 degrees. Now see the blinking quadrilateral. The blinking quadrilateral. What are the things we have? This 80 degrees, x degree, this is 90 degrees given, and this is 120, the vertically opposite angle 120, and this is 80 because it was a linear pair, and this is x, and this is a right angle. And the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral must be 360. So this angle x plus this angle 80, that was a linear pair, 180 minus 100. This angle 120, that is a vertically opposite angle, and this 90 given, the total of these four angles should be 360, because they are the angles of a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, the sum of four angles must be 360. So this angle x plus this 80 plus this 120 plus this 90, total should be 360. So 80 and 120, 200, 200 plus 90, 290. So x plus 290 is 360. 290 we transpose to the other side. So x will be equal to, when 290 goes to that side, 360 minus 290, that would be 70. You don't need a rough work. 360 minus 300 is 60, right? If you subtract 300, it would be 60. 360 minus 60 is 300. And then because you subtracted only 300, now 290. So add that 10 extra which you have subtracted, so 70, right? 360, 290 can be written as, minus 290 can be written as minus 300 plus 10. So 360 minus 300, 60 plus 10, 70. So the required angle 70 degrees. This x will be equal to 70 degrees, right? The value of this x, this angle 70. So we did not really use any new concept. Simple vertically opposite angles, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral, a linear pair, all the thing which you learned in lower classes, that's what we are using. But we are using it step by step, taking one thing at a time, not confusing all the things, just one thing at a time. And this is how you can proceed. Even the figure may look complicated, but if you do like this one step at a time, it will be very easy. So we got x equal to 70. So to join our free once a week class, all the school students, and also available in Bengali medium, also available in Bengali medium. To join our free once a week class, either in English or in Bengali, you can contact us. It's free for students all over the world. So contact us today at this WhatsApp number, and you can join the weekly free class where you will improve your math skill. So till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.